Ya mama chema makwaba show nkomra Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so world of entertainment. Dear child, we are the some pay your person na weda na ya gospel so edikanese aseda enka erade. Me the Sandra oheme ametiwa adwuma nyame adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu am.
We need to Sunday now. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sunday be a guy.
One and only guy Queen. And me bra baba strame ya money tell na and some way share go no so ya twetwe ho and come real quick. Bra Kofy mo akwa
Boko.
I drove by now for uni.
I said that.
Wait out 2G. Free mentor days. Like beyond na what here. Where drove ya the name chance and ya twetwe come.
That's it. So it's a blessed day. It's a blessed day.
Great.
Whether I know so I
come out.
And I was saying show.
Oh.
So this come November 2nd, Ghana's Praise.
Okay.
A event be last year.
Okay.
Normally what I do is say me call senior high schools echo evangelism. I witness it to them. I can me asem a trauma and minister and lead them to Christ.
That's nice.
That's what I've been doing for the past 10 years. But last year near the Ghana's Praise by you won't say and no ma ye to sorry and I kind of praise no and I worship. It's more of Western. Western BBA. I was saying so Ghana and Yom push and I young artist on so push and that's what brought Ghana's Praise.
But I like the name Ghana's Praise, promoting Ghana.
Yeah.
Me am call praise bia and open my best man obe so mensa jeje me.
That's it.
Magic kwapa. It you know I was like oh mama Mike that day
exactly.
Na the Metro Presbyterian him say kaka edishia.
So basically it's coming on the 2nd of November.
No, 2nd November.
Or your Dome Royal Chapel.
Okay.
4 p.m. ne ya shasi. Na you to for coming home. You can see
afade no so efe pa.
Yes. We wearing kente selling Ghana. And I'm told say kente has been assigned now as the national way. I'm hearing that yes and to one of the bloggers no. So we're wearing kente. You can see that all the artists are in kente. Pastor Josh Lai, ACP Kofy Sapon, Empress Gifty, and the Daughters of Glorious Jesus.
That's right.
Also,
and
it's going to be a time of worship, presence, praise. Now,
student,
what we do because we schools no and you're offering, we go with a full set of band with musicians, about 50 team member, 45 team member. Yeah, it's a whole team. We don't take anything from them.
For real.
We give them good sound, and it's an 45. Amazing thing. Yes.
Eish.
And it you're taking care of them, and it's coming from.
This is my
so when you are giving us
wow,
when you are giving us 100 Ghana cedis, it means you are a supporter. You are supporting us for what we are doing. 50 Ghana cedis, the same thing, a regular, and the students who wants to also be part of what we do. Now it's a support. It's more like a donation.
Okay.
Now we are raising funds to buy equipment for the
school
tour.
Now, it is our student 30 Ghana. Be a student, no shy. Obey here students idea na be a
students. Make qualify.
Make me a uniform. Me qualify. Me join me 30 in my room.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you don't need any students. I do students. I just go. I didn't know cremera day. So we will be them go transfer say we are students. Next we are students. I'm on Chiana Yenfa and support. Inti ma who say you call the guitar until no. Obasa will talk tickets now. Bet me in a digital. Star 714 star 003 star 5 hash. Star 714 star 003 star 5 hash. But obi person or tunnel to say we free digital no tunnel real.
Cash down. Bet me about Royal Chapel.
Okay.
And when you call the numbers on the flyer now.
Okay.
0595 24 3312 0595 243312. Yeah, the ticket in bro, maybe I will be. Now the best place is to buy it on the way network because all networks you can buy it there. Now when we Pastor Panso account the younger folks, we are bringing the younger folks to Magnetes. But with was with me in mentor.
Okay.
Pastor Jifanso, our Royal Chapel, and Lady Chatty.
Wow.
It's going to be
a full house.
I mean, Stewards of Grace so about powerful. Now, may the tickets be by for those who are watching. You want to give some few just with that free. I'm just
Mr. Parry, phone lines. Nipa bear 3 million tickets real quick. 0302-211-70124. 0302-211-70124. But the more quite chichi brano see mwache. Mentor saying no koe. I'm from Mwachi. Now I think so. Jina has to see our can be so any team. Nipa do because schools, campuses, echo preaching or boss or see nipa saying na or the omoko. I think so. See program na cost away. Obeso to tickets na digital be any saying. What means in for ya no ana ya cha tickets na wakwa experience. Say God's grace. Our head the oil dome honum. I say back of Sanya one ye the ultimate empire and we drop what do you question?
But the surprise thing is say mene me de kasa a different from the amene to him.
When
I start singing the tone changes.
Obiaba so. Hi, good morning. Benjamin Pasha hina for me fan of pay. Okay. Back of Kasa no ka so any team do send na ko schools ni ko preaching. Hello Robin. Hey, open ticket I go show na network ye him who say. Yeah. Kafra. But you suffer me be mwate. It no why I'm sure so obi de ho wo de ho amera de so wonyu su.
Yeah.
And we know what you can do. We require the kata ye nikwe nim de otimi ye ntino. Ye hia any assurance via we know. But obetimi ato bi kakra bi a chere ya ye hu D-Day no. What is yet to come?
So mensaka wonsaka yensaka o mensaka o wawarie usika wayeye unshira wakwentu mensaka o mensaka o ayedo ayedo yesu muye de
Hi, good morning.
Morning, my favorite view, Mr.
What's up? I take it to here pa na Marco Kasa no. Okay, so any team members saying the school square preaching.
But you major the 15 baby.
Bengazi. What's the major the 15? But when I didn't take it to no pay. Now, I say a short code is over bonus saying.
Star 714 star 003 star 55.
Yay! Wait up, Pampa. Okay, brother. Now, so now you enjoy details. Now, I will tickets. Why? But I see piece of frame. My last caller will be about so Frank 0302-211-70124. 0302-211-70124. So this is the second edition.
This is the second edition.
We share senia aircona ebeba so.
Exactly.
Yeah, we string am ya ho dem ma pa say nyame so ntu botom na koswa ye de oyema students no. Well, next school out say afa meto so. Ah, me nkwala ma me afa meto so.
Yeah, pen crofo.
Ah, afa meto so nkwala ma me na me ni echi enko. Obi aba homa ne so. I'm saying you toy I know be me. Brakofi or final way so just tickets in my kwampa. Our shows goes on a year if you're man quite na se cry baby.
So I want to urge everybody on the 2nd of November, 4 p.m. at the Oil Dome Royal Chapel.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a time of presence, worship, praise, atmosphere. Nyame Adom Ahosepe. It's going you're going to receive your healing, your blessings, everything you desire will be granted on that day. Oba invites you be. Now, what we do is that because we go to the schools and we witness to them, students are going to be there, and your friend might be there. So join us. Let's lift God up, and then honor the King of Kings on the 2nd of November, 4 p.m. at the Oil Dome. Opese unya your contact so offer 0595 243312 0595 243312. We will get to you, and whatever you need, we will grant it to you.
Nyame enka ho yada sipi say na obesra it 2nd of November Oil Dome yenhia 4 p.m. Bra yamba ne nyina ye wo hono ma aja ye betwani nyina egu Adom TV so ama Minister Kofy Thank you so much for
Bless
coming.
You. Thank you.
Inshallah. Tiabusu ye jane kwan a me de mensa aka no eja no hu nia enisa wo mixe on the second.
Mensa aka a surprise and this is the latest remixer.
Okay.
Yeah, release it.
Is it me jane surprise mo?
Oh, what jant?
Oh, when you want my conquer yeah, busia kunyantuma is here.
It's the first time.
Mensaka 2nd November, Oil Dome 4 p.m. Obaka Minister Kofy, who Daughters of Glorious Jesus, and your mom, Dasungina, na ye nyame, aye, ne wukwada.